confusion between the terms genes and alleles is common. Perhaps the confusion is due to the fact that the same gene name is shared by all its alleles, whether coding for the normal or variant expression. Examples of genes are the fly gene hedgehog, so named because flies look spiky when a change occurred in the DNA sequence at a particular location of the chromosome. And in humans, there are the genes like the breast cancer genes BRCA1 and BRCA2, which we might fear having. But wait, these genes are common to all individuals of a species. That is, BRCA1 and BRCA2 are present in both individuals with and without breast cancer. Just as the hedgehog gene in flies is present whether or not the fly has a spiky body. That the breast cancer gene is present in individuals without breast cancer and the hedgehog gene is present in flies with a normal appearance seems illogical. However, it is when we are confronted with the unusual or mutant phenotype do we become aware, take notice, and feel it warrants a name. So that single location on a particular chromosome, the gene, carrying information for a particular function, whether having a normal or variant expression, is given a single name, like the breast cancer gene or the hedgehog gene. That is, the gene names indicate something such as function. As explained by Humpty Dumpty to Alice in the book Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, "Of course the name must mean something. My name means the shape I am, and a good handsome shape it is too. With a name like yours, Alice, you might be any shape almost." However, the gene name does not indicate whether the function is normal or not. So we all have the breast cancer gene, but we do not have to worry if we have the normal allele. It is only the presence of some variant alleles of the breast cancer gene that increases the probability of breast cancer in an individual. Thus, genes and alleles are the same in that they carry information for specific characteristics like hair color, and the information is carried in the sequence of nucleotides, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. However, alleles with the variant nucleotide sequence cause variant expression of a specific character. The gene for blood type, for example, has alleles for A, B, and O blood type, while the gene for breast cancer has alleles that do or do not increase the probability of breast cancer. To overcome the confusion of sharing the same name, alleles are differentiated by means of appendages to the gene name. To know more about the naming of alleles in humans, you may refer to the publication of the Human Genome Variation Society entitled Sequence Variant Nomenclature at the link provided in the description. Now you have many genes for your different characteristics, for example, height, hair color, nose shape, and so on. Each of these genes occupy a different location or locus of chromosome pairs. However, you as an individual can have at most 2 alleles for a single gene, since you have pairs of chromosomes, each of the chromosome pair inherited from one of your parents. You could inherit same or different alleles from each of your parents, and the alleles you inherit will determine your phenotype or appearance. Clearly, there is a difference in meaning of the terms genes and alleles, but since they share the same name, it can lead to confusion. So let's check understanding of these ideas with a few questions. You may pause the video while you think about your answer. If your answer tallies with the correct answer provided, well done. If not, you might have to view and listen to the video again. The first question is as follows. A section of chromosome which carries a separate piece of genetic information is called a? The answer is B. A gene carries information and is made up of many nucleotides which have bases. The order of bases in the gene determines its information, which expresses as a protein. Now for the second question. Which of the following are referred to as alleles? The answer is B, as the alleles occupy the same location on the pair of chromosomes. F, G, and H are different genes. And for the final question. Individuals who have albinism, an inherited autosomal recessive disorder in which biosynthesis of melanin is reduced, have A. The albinism gene, a gene healthy individuals lack. B. Mutant versions of the albinism gene. C. No gene for this disease. D. Neither alleles nor genes controlling this phenotype. The answer is B, as individuals with different phenotypes differ in the alleles which are a mutated or variant form of the gene. Thank you for watching. If you found it useful, do like, subscribe and share.